Hi guys, Ramzan here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can integrate PayPal smart buttons into your product page of the Shopify store. This video is specific for Refresh theme. If you have any other theme, then you can explore shopwebsitecodes.com. There I have already published a lot of codes with different themes. The first step is that you should download the code. I have already added the link below in the description. You just need to click on that link and you will be getting a zip file. You should extract that zip file and you will be having these 4 files. Just open documentation.txt. Inside of it, I have already added a lot of steps which we are going to follow in this video. Now the first step is go to Shopify dashboard, click on themes, click on edit code, click on snippets. So here we have the dashboard of the store. You can see I have installed a refresh theme. Click on these 3 dots, click on duplicate first. Actually you should duplicate the theme so that later on if you make any mistake you can restore it back to its original version. Then after you should click on edit code. Here we have some folders and files. You need to click on snippets and the next step is create new snippet. Name of that snippet will be PayPal-smart-buttons. Copy this and click on add a new snippet, paste the name and click on done. So that's how you can create a new file, and inside of this file we are going to paste the attached code, which is this one, PayPal with, which is this one. Copy this complete code and paste it inside of this empty file. Now the next step is add below event in quantity input, find quantity underscore input. Actually we have to open sections, then you should scroll it down and go ahead with main-product.liquid. Inside of it we have to use Control F or maybe Command F to find quantity input. Actually this is an input element for the quantity selector where we are going to fire an event. That line, actually this is the line to fire an event. Just copy this line and paste it inside of this input element. Alright, once you are done, then you should click on save. The next step is add your live client ID of PayPal in line number 8. So actually we have PayPal-smart-buttons.liquid. Inside of it we have line number 8, which is PayPal live client ID. I have added the sandbox PayPal client ID for the testing purpose only, but you have to use actual live client ID of your PayPal. I will be adding a video link in the description. You just need to watch that video to copy your live client ID of your PayPal and paste it right here. Make sure to enclose this client ID with double quotes, and then after you can also update the currency if you want. Right now I have added USD. If you have euros, then you can use EUR, or maybe if any other currency you can use, you can add the currency code here. Now the next step is inspect quantity selector element and get ID and paste it in line number 9. So actually in line number 9 you can see that we have quantity ID which we can find from front end. So actually you should go to the catalog, for example, click on any of the product, for example this one, and we have quantity input. Right click on it, click on inspect, and it will be highlighting that input element. So if you are not seeing this input element highlighted, you should click on this inspector, click on this input, and here you can see quantity ID. Double click on it and it will be highlighted, and you should copy this and paste it right here and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you should move ahead with the 6th step, which is go to assets, click on global.js. So here we have assets. You should scroll it and we will be having global.js, which is this one, and inside of it we are going to find this function. Copy this and using Control F or maybe Command F you can highlight this function here. So this is the definition of the function. This is starting from this curly brace and ending at this, and we are going to copy this line of code from here and paste the line just above this curly brace. Alright, make sure that this curly brace should be below this new line of code, and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then we have the final step, which is go to customize product and create a custom HTML section and paste below code. So actually we have to go to the dashboard again, click on customize, click on this drop down and click on products, and here we have default product. You can see the product information on the right hand side. Here you can see we have product information. Click on add block, click on custom liquid, and then you should paste that code here. So actually we have this line of code which we are going to copy from here and paste it inside of this liquid code, and make sure to drag this up just below buy buttons and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can see the PayPal buttons are appearing on the right. So sometimes people are not interested to keep this buy it now button. So how we can hide it? You can click on buy buttons, uncheck this checkbox and click on save. So now the buy button is gone away, and let's test this in the front end. So for example, I am refreshing it. So now you can see that this is the mobile view and it is looking beautiful. Let's see its desktop view. Here you can see that the buttons are little larger. I will be reducing its size and update the code, so you have no need to worry about it. Now we are interested to cross check the price, the title, the color variant, the quantity. So all the information is correctly passed to the PayPal buttons or not. So let's click on PayPal button. I have already logged in with my Sandbox account, $12. You can see we have $1, we have a t-shirt, a title, and then color variant, and then a price. So everything is correct. Now the next thing we wanted to confirm is quantity. For example, I am increasing its quantity to 2. Then click on PayPal button and let's cross check that quantity is also updating into the PayPal information or not. Click on this and here you can see that we have 2 love t-shirt black color, $24. So that means price and quantity is also updating. Final thing is like we are interested to check color. So we have chosen purple, this one, and let's click on, let me refresh again, actually this purple. So let's click on purple, then click on PayPal, and here we go. Now you can see that color variant is updated and price is also updated. So that means everything is looking fine. And now the important thing is that your customers don't have the PayPal account. So in that case, do the payment. For example, your customer is clicking on debit or credit card button. So it will be showing the form where they can input their card details, they can put their billing address, they can put their shipping address, and then click on pay now button to purchase that product. Sometime you are not interested to keep this yellow button, so how we can remove it? So actually I have already attached the code. You just need to open credit or debit card, copy this complete code and replace the existing code, which is this one, with the new code. But important thing is that you need to update this live client ID, your quantity ID as well. So right now I'm going to find the client ID, quantity ID. So this input element, I'm going to copy it and then paste it right here and then click on save. Let me refresh this page again. Now let's see. So now you can see that we have only debit or credit card button. Yellow button is gone away. So for now I'm interested to keep both these buttons because I don't have a yellow button. So I have undone the changes. Click on save, then refresh the page again, and now you will see that PayPal button as well as debit or credit card button is appearing. So if you will see its mobile view, this is also looking more beautiful. All right, so that's how you can integrate all the things into your store. So if you have any problem, you can ask me questions below in the comment section, and if you stuck somewhere and you are not finding any solution, then definitely you can contact me. I will be happy to answer your questions. I will be adding the contact details below in the description, so you can connect me and I will help you accordingly. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please like this video, also subscribe this channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.